Hey up, how we doing? CAMPO's here. We're with the Renogy battery and 40 amp DC to DC charger. I'm going to run my Tassimo coffee machine, but it's 1400 watts, the coffee machine, so it's more than the battery alone. But I'm going to start my van. I'm going to turn my DC charger on, so we should see this go like there, 40 amps, so it's charging now. That, so now we can actually run the coffee machine. So we've got the coffee machine running now. As you can see, we're doing 45 kilowatt hours. So if you look now at the battery, that's gone up now. I'm pulling 102 amps. As you can see, it's nice and steamy. 103 amps, but we've got there's 40 amps going in as well, so that is helping with the machine. Doesn't take long anyway to do. We just got the minute marker now, so as now you can see I'm back charging up at 40 amps. While it goes through the cycle. Put the coffee in now. Press the button. As you can see now, it's drawing again. See now minus 100 amps, but still all working correctly all right now. It fluctuates in between different things, wattage, as it does different processes. As you can see, steam's coming out. All done and dusted. Now I've got a lovely Tassimo coffee, all done for my Renogy power supply. So that's how you can get over the 100 amps by running your 40 amps DC charger, and then it compensates the difference. So got a nice red hot cup of coffee there. Now it is hot as well. All it took was 1 minute 24 seconds, and you didn't lose any of your battery really at all, because it's still charging up now with running the vehicle. So it's definitely worth having the DC charger. So when I'm out mountain biking, I can make myself a nice cup of coffee. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.